inspired the creative process behind Earthly Delights were really the notes of the elusive Umami, smoky, earthy, with a sweet finish. And so I really wanted to connect sensory of sound with sensory of taste. Cheers.
There's earthiness there. You can smell the lovely oak trees. The flavours in the elusive Umami are blood oranges, ripe berries, this lovely savoury meat notes, and a beautiful wood spice. A feast for the senses.
Whenever you create music, it's just about combining the different elements that sort of fit together in a way that gives an emotional reaction. All the elements dance together.
Our perfect serve is with caviar. You have that oiliness, saltiness, and elusive Umami just works wonderfully with that.
Wonderful.
So one of the most exciting things about working on this project was using sound extraction using plant wave technology, just taking the vibration from nature. I was just the conduit for the nature to speak.
With elusive Umami, we wanted to create a boundary-pushing innovation that was the first of its kind. Only 1 in 25,000 casks has the right character and flavour.
Everything in life has music running through its veins. Everything. Nature, love, and elusive Umami.